Hello friends, today I'm showing you how to make these delicious Parmesan garlic chicken wings. These wings have become one of my favorite go-to wings. They're so easy to make and delicious. They're flavored with garlic parmesan, very crispy on the outside and juicy tender on the inside. Perfect for football season. Let's get started. We're using chicken wings for this recipe, and we're going to start by adding some cornstarch and baking powder to the chicken wings. We're also going to add some Parmesan garlic sauce, and you can find the sauce at your local grocery store. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. The cornstarch and baking powder on the chicken will help them become very crispy. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to arrange the chicken wings onto a baking rack. Make sure you space them out, that way they can crisp up while baking. Also, there's gonna be some sauce left in the pan. We're gonna be using this for brushing later. Make sure your oven has been preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Before the chicken goes in the oven, bring down the temperature to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the wings into the oven to bake for 45 minutes. Keep in mind that you have to take the wings out every 15 minutes to brush. So this is the first 15 minutes of baking. We're going to flip the wings and then we're going to brush them with the remaining sauce in the bowl. Once all the wings have been brushed, put them back into the oven, then take them out after 15 minutes to flip and brush them again. Once brushed, put them back into the oven to finish baking. Here are the chicken wings when they're all done baking. These will come out smelling so good. I highly recommend putting a little bit of the Parmesan garlic sauce on the side for dipping. The sauce is so good with the chicken wings. The wings came out crusted and crispy on the outside and juicy tender on the inside. If you guys would like to make these Parmesan garlic chicken wings, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.